I want to snack your way to a healthier you. These 5 powerhouse foods will help you fight cancer and shed those extra pounds. First up, we've got pumpkin. Rich in beta-carotene, pumpkins help reduce the risk of certain cancers and keep your skin glowing, plus they're low in calories. Win-win. Next, soy. Packed with isoflavones, soy not only fights off cancer cells but also helps keep your metabolism revved up. Snack on some edamame and feel the burn. Tomatoes are your third superhero. Bursting with lycopene, they combat cancer cells and promote heart health. Add some cherry tomatoes to your salad and you're good to go. Fourth on the list, apples. These crunchy delights are full of fiber and antioxidants, making them perfect for fighting cancer and keeping you full longer. An apple a day, right? Finally, green tea. This ancient elixir is loaded with catechins, which are proven cancer fighters, plus it boosts your metabolism and helps burn fat. Sip your way to health. So there you have it. 5 snacks that not only taste amazing, but also help you fight cancer and burn fat. Snack smart, stay healthy.